This is what goes on at my house when Addison comes around. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's quick project, we're going to put windshield wipers on the Tacoma. Let's get started. A quick note about windshield wipers. One way to make them last longer is every time you do an oil change, or at least once a year, take some alcohol and a cotton swab or one of those little packets of cleaners for your eyeglasses and clean your wiper blades, the rubber part. That'll make them last longer. Also, there are a couple different types of windshield wiper blades. There's the rubber type. There are also a silicone type. I know one brand that I've ordered before that has lasted a really long time is I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but it's a PIAA is the brand name. And those seem to last quite a while. I've gotten several years out of them before I had to replace them. One thing you can do during the wintertime is whenever you clean the ice and stuff off your windshield, make sure you clean down around the wiper blades themselves, because they will freeze to your window and they'll split. And that's what kind of problem I'm having with mine now. They've split on the end and just kind of ripped a piece off of them. Also, if you run your wipers with a lot of ice on your windshield, you're gonna tear them up pretty quick. Now, the way you install these particular ones on a Toyota have a lever. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. That flips up. And then your wiper arm sits down in here and it has a hook on it. And you sit it down in this hole and then you slide it forward. And the hook goes around this bottom piece of the bracket here. And then you snap this top piece back down again. And that locks it in place. A lot of wipers are different as far as how they mount. Some of them can be like a Chinese puzzle trying to figure out how they go on. But this particular one, this is for Toyota. So here's my old ones. This is what happens when you don't clean the ice off your windshield real good. It just rips your blades apart. Several different places in it.
It's me again.
I got another visitor today. Follow her on
TikTok. OMG, it's Addison with 3 N's.
All right, guys. Thank you for joining me again for another quick video. We got the windshield wipers changed out on the Tacoma, and now I'll be able to see whenever it rains. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you guys.